Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about latest 2025 Bentley Continental GT continues the legacy of one of the world's most luxurious Grand Tours. Known for its blend of opulence, performance, and technology, the Continental GT has been a hallmark of British automotive craftsmanship. The 2025 model enhances this tradition, offering updated features and refined aesthetics that cater to the desires of discerning customers. Inside, the 2025 Continental GT showcases a harmonious fusion of luxury and technology. The cabin is adorned with exquisite materials, including fine leather, handcrafted wood veneers, and metal accents. The updated infotainment system features a large touchscreen interface that integrates seamlessly with a premium audio system, providing advanced connectivity options, ambient lighting sets the mood, and a customizable layout allows for personalization of interior features. Comfort is paramount, with spacious seating designed for long journeys, complete with advanced climate control and ergonomic support. The exterior of the 2025 Continental GT is a striking blend of classic Bentley design cues and modern styling elements. The iconic silhouette is complemented by sharp lines and a sculpted profile that enhance its aerodynamic efficiency. A bold front grille and sleek LED headlights create a commanding presence on the road. The vehicle is available in a variety of stunning colors and finishes, allowing buyers to express their individuality. Optional features, such as bespoke wheel designs and contrasting roof finishes, further enhance its elegance and sophistication. Under the hood, the 2025 Continental GT is powered by a range of potent engine options, including a refined V8 and a powerful W12 engine, each delivering exceptional performance. The vehicle is equipped with an advanced all-wheel drive system and an adaptive suspension that ensures a dynamic driving experience, whether cruising on the highway or navigating winding roads. With a quick acceleration time and responsive handling, the Continental GT offers an exhilarating driving experience without compromising comfort. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Continental GT, with an array of advanced driver assistance systems designed to protect occupants and enhance driving confidence. Key features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a comprehensive airbag system. The vehicle's construction incorporates high-strength materials and advanced safety technologies to provide maximum protection in the event of a collision. Additionally, features like a 360-degree camera system and parking assist make maneuvering in tight spaces easier. The 2025 Bentley Continental GT is not just a car, it is an experience that embodies luxury, performance, and safety. With its refined design, powerful engines, and state-of-the-art technology, this Grand Tour continues to set the standard for excellence in the automotive world. Whether for leisurely drives or exhilarating journeys, the Continental GT remains a symbol of prestige and sophistication, appealing to those who demand nothing but the best. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more related content.